seat. Naka-front seat. So from where kayo?
Tokyo, Japan.
Tokyo, Japan. Kayong dalawa. Ako naman from Cagayan de Oro. Yeah. Hello there everybody! Good morning! It's a great day! I am here once again sa Manila pa. It's my second day here but muli na ko tonight. So, I'm still in cloud 9 of what happened sa Himigandog. And again, thank you so much sa tanan na nag-support. Thank you sa right now sa inyong pag-share, sa inyong pag-congratulate. Sorry for my look. Nagdalin na ako because I'll be going to Showtime. So, I'll be checking out right here sa Quagasian here sa La Braza Hotel. I'm still in awe and yeah, I must keep going. I must get back my energy for your show, your time. It's Showtime!
Or mag-register ka muna.
Register lang muna. So, I got my tatak, guys. ABS-CBN Kapamilya Lounge. We're actually done with the briefing and we're heading to the studio. There you go. Front seat. Naka-front seat. So from where kayo?
Tokyo, Japan.
Tokyo, Japan. Kayong dalawa. Ako naman from Cagayan de Oro. Yeah.
May music na? Music! Maestro! Hey! Yan yung mga smile. Gusto yung mga smile makita. Hey! Energy! Taas!
Ang susunod na programa ay rated PG. Patnubay at gabay ng magulang ay kailangan ng mga batang manonood.
Yes, guys. Thank you. And so, we're done with Showtime. We're gonna go back to the regional office. Wala! I'm gone. Kasi Thank you, Showtime.